y'all got up?
Yeah, I'll have a double bacon jalapeno burger.
Alright.
And some bacon jalapeno fries.
Sure.
And that'll be all.
Alright, 9:55. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Can I have your receipt, please? Thank you. Thank you. Let's do this. Hi, welcome to Jamie's Product Reviews. So today's video on food product reviewer. I'm at Wendy's on the east side of Geneva. I'm on the west side of the parking lot. And I wanted to try 2 new items. One reason I'm not doing it from home this time is because it's a little less hot than it was last week. So anyway, it's 2 hot new items. It's the jalapeno bacon burger. You can get it either single, double, or triple. I went with double, so not too much meat but not too little either. So, and of course the jalapeno fries have jalapeno sauce, bits of bacon, jalapenos, and it's pretty much the same thing that's in the burger: the jalapenos, bacon, and jalapeno sauce, and cheese, and some crispy onions. Here it is, and it's jalapeno bacon glory. Let's not waste any time. Oh wow. Well, it's packed full of meat. I'm not getting any accumulation of heat yet. I'm not feeling any heat building. That's kind of disappointing, but this is a pretty tasty burger. The bacon is nice and crispy. I mean, it's hot, but it's only because it's hot and fresh. It's a fresh kind of hot, not a spicy kind of hot. I mean, it's meaty and the bacon is crispy, and the sauces are adding more flavor than heat. Oh wait. There we go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I just felt an instant buildup of heat back there, so it's doing something. An excellent burger, mostly for flavors and meat and crispy bacon. Once that heat started building, I immediately am now giving this from a 4 out of 5 to a 5 out of 5. Unfortunately, as far as the fries go, I've got a little problem here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait. Maybe not. Oh. Guess I wasn't looking hard enough. For a second there, I thought they left out my my fork and knife. So I guess I'll be doing the fries here after all. Let's just get a bite or two of this. It's always hard to get everything in one bite, but I'll try. There's a little heat build up of the jalapeno bacon fries as well. Bacon is crispy on here as well. Jalapenos add heat. I even care if the fries are a little mushy. Fries are pretty good. You know, the sauce. Yeah, let's try this one fry with a lot of sauce on it. The sauce has a little flavor, and it's got. Wait for heat to build. Yeah, a little bit of heat is building. I mean, I don't know if I get this again. I mean, it's good. I mean, it's good for what it is. Normally, I just like eating fries with just fries and ketchup, but I like trying different kinds of fries. Not just for the review's sake, but just kind of an adventurous when it comes to fast food and trying new things. Flavors are nice, and the heat is definitely not crazy heat, but it's there. I give this a 4 out of 5. Alright, there you have it. My 2 reviews in one video of Wendy's 2 new latest items. You know, they're hot. They're fairly hot and flavorful. And I'll be seeing you next review. Bye bye. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment, all that good stuff. I'll be seeing you next video. And yeah, it's actually nice out here for a change. Not too hot and sunny. Well, I'm going to go now. Bye bye.